The power of a smile. Your nonverbal introduction in English. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating aspect of communication that is universal and transcends languages: the humble smile. This simple nonverbal greeting can make a huge difference in the way you connect with people. A smile is a universal sign of friendliness and approachability. It's one of the first things people notice about you, and it can make a significant impact on first impressions. In English-speaking cultures, a smile can also be considered as an informal greeting. It's a silent way to say, "Hello," or "Nice to meet you." While it's easy to simply curve your lips and show your teeth, an authentic smile is much more than that. A genuine smile, also known as a Duchenne smile, involves the muscles around your eyes. When you genuinely smile, you'll notice a slight squint in your eyes. This kind of smile exudes warmth and friendliness, making you appear more approachable. A smile can be used in various situations. When you meet someone new, when you're unsure what to say, or even when you're apologizing. A smile indicates openness and willingness to communicate. However, remember to use it appropriately. In serious or solemn situations, smiling might not be suitable. Practice makes perfect, and smiling is no exception. Stand in front of a mirror and practice your smile. Aim for a natural, warm, and friendly look. Notice how your eyes and the rest of your face participate in the process. It may feel silly, but the more you practice, the more natural it will become. That wraps up our exploration of the power of a smile as a nonverbal greeting in English-speaking cultures. We hope this gives you a new perspective on how you present yourself and connect with others when communicating in English. Keep practicing your smile, and remember, it's the best greeting you can give.